and welcome to Middle Age Magic. I'm Sam,
And I'm Sharon.
and today, or this evening, we are going to show you what we will be carrying in our park bags when we go to Disneyland Paris tomorrow.
Yeah.
We've got to be up very early.
3:30.
Yep, to catch the 6 o'clock ferry from Dover.
Yeah.
But we thought we'd give you an idea of what we carry around in our park bags. So,
Which isn't a lot for me and is everything but the kitchen sink for her.
yeah, Ben did ask me if I wanted him to unscrew this kitchen sink and pack it for me because I tend to carry a lot of stuff around. So, but let's show you our bags first. So this is my bag. You may have seen this one. It's been quite popular this year. Obviously not with everything hanging off of it like mine, but I got this from Temu. It's actually sold as a nappy changing bag, but it makes a brilliant park bag. So that's my one.
Oh, I obviously have a Star Wars related bag, which I got from AliExpress because I needed a new laptop bag. And as well as getting this bag, it came with a bonus a cross carry bag, which I've got my tech gear in, which I'll show you, and a little zippy up pencil case bag, which has got yet more tech gear in it. But it was so ridiculous, like 14 quid.
Yeah.
3 bags, including shipping. So it was well worth it.
Yeah. So, shall I start?
Go on then.
See, now I've got the world's biggest bag. Right, as you may have seen when I showed you, I have my ears on this. I've got dog fluff. There we go. The dogs have chewed up a cushion and this fluff is everywhere. Right, so I've got my rose gold ears and they are on this carrier where they just pop on and off. And of course, it's Evil Queen.
Of course.
And I got this from Etsy years ago and it's been everywhere. So it's a good, say, 5-6 years old. So, and they just pop on when I'm not wearing them. So I've got that. I have my water bottle, which is in a side pocket. I've also got gimbal for videoing. Then I have my little ladies requirement pouch. I have my that's all got all my medicines in it, so all my painkillers and everything like that is
Which
in that
she
one.
can't leave home without anything like that.
No. Oh, my purse.
Oh.
So I've also got one of the fold up like carrier bags. So for shopping. Right. In here is my umbrella. Now this little bag is brilliant. So I've got my small umbrella there. But this has got like fluffy like microfiber lining. So if it does rain and we do get a wet umbrella, I can put it in there, zip it up, and then my bag doesn't get wet. We're still going. I've got my sunglasses and reading glasses cases, and these are the like fabric ones, so they will go through security okay. Oh, I've got another fold up.
Is it like Mary Poppins bag that's bottomless?
It's got so many pockets in this, it's brilliant. I've got my phone, portable phone charger, poncho.
I'm going to rain on me there.
I know, it's just in case. I've got squirty juice, so we can fill our water bottles up from the water fountain and then use squash. I've got this is a cutlery set, so it's got a fork, knife and spoon in. Save on the plastic ones. What else? My house keys. Oh, right, hang on. I'm still digging. Right, I've got these. This is another poncho, but it's in a ball, so you can hang it off your bag. And this is a microfiber towel, so it's a quick dry towel. So if you get like wet feet, wet hands, you can just pull it out, dry yourself off, and then folds back up in there. In the front pocket, I've got. This hasn't got to go back in my bag yet.
I can't wait to see you try and jam all that lot back in.
I've got my lanyard ready for the annual passes. In here, there is a silicone straw, like reusable straw, because I don't like paper straws. So you've got the straw in there that comes out, and it's got a silicone straw cleaner as well. So that one. Oh, I've got these, and in this little plastic pack, there's like leaves of soap. So if you get into the bathroom and there's no like soap around, it's in there. I've got the pooper star. So if you need to do number twos, you can put that down first. I've got more medication stuff. That's the ice,
That's ice
the
roll on,
deep
isn't it?
freeze like ice gel. Then in the back of this bag has a zip that will go against your back, so it's like pickpocket proof. And in there, I've got my passport and my blue badge. So that is everything.
Are you sure?
Yeah, that's everything. It's covered the table. You should see the table in front of us. Just like, but yeah, that's everything in my bag. Your turn. I'll start putting stuff back in my bag while she talks you. What shall we talk you
I
through?
also have a water bottle. Mine's twice the size of Sam's with a handy straw in it.
Oh, you got a straw in yours.
It's a Microsoft one. I got it at Ignite at a conference. It's bloody
course you
brilliant.
did.
I've had it for ages. Microsoft's almost worn off. You can just about see the Microsoft Windows logo
If
on it
Sharon
anymore.
has a water bottle or coffee cup, it's normally Microsoft or IBM.
Yeah, it's come from a conference.
It's come from a conference, yeah.
My front pocket, it's not quite as exciting as it sounds. It has my passport in it. It also has a mask in it because you never know. I also have a disposable, reusable silicone straw because I have a torch.
Because we're always going to need a torch.
Well, you never know. Not only is it a torch, actually the torch bit doesn't work. It's a bottle opener.
Oh, well then, yeah, okay, I'll give you that one.
Okay, I've got a plethora of pens because you always need a pen. Always need a pen. Now, my bag's nowhere near as exciting as hers because, well, one, I don't need all that stuff because she's got it. I have sun cream, but it's not in this bag. I also have my battery bank from my phone, but that's currently charging because I used it earlier. I too have sparkly ears and my lanyard, which was a bit of could I find a lanyard?
She couldn't find the one she wanted.
No, so I had to find a different one.
Sharon's house rooms have been moved around since we've last been.
Yeah.
And things have been
put somewhere safe.
Yeah, put in a safe place, which means never to be seen again. And she can't find her Stitch lanyard. No. So
or my Eeyore lanyard, which is my backup lanyard.
Yeah. Oh, I haven't seen your Eeyore. Yeah.
Exactly. Where the hell are they? Anyway, I'll have to buy a new one. I have 2 baseball caps. I have my Star Wars baseball cap. I have my Stitch baseball cap. I can't wear baseball cap. I have to, well, mainly because your head's too big. And I have to have a baseball cap because even though I've got dark hair, if the sun comes out, I will burn. Yes. I will burn because burning is what I do. I also have my knee brace because if my knee plays up, that will have to go on. Sharpies.
For the...
Oh, hang on, I can't find it.
Oh, the autograph book! Sharpies are better for the characters because they're thicker.
And they're easier to hold for costume characters, and they're also easy to hold for non-costume characters. Yeah. Normally we have a flash autograph book, but we weren't going to do autographs. And then at the last minute we decided we were.
Yeah, we weren't going to do them. Then on Friday, someone decided they were going to do them.
Me. So I bought this one from Amazon and stuck one of our Middle Age Magic stickers on it to bling it up. Yes. And I bought this one specifically because I quite like the fireworks because I thought it matched our logo. Now I'm covering up the table with crap. Yep. What else have I got here? I have our travel documents, which has got where we're staying, all that malarkey.
Yeah, the address of the Airbnb, our ferry details.
Yeah, all the usual car insurance, blah, blah, blah. I have my new Villains phone case, which is not on my phone yet because I have a little magnetic thing that I stick my phone on in the car, which is great when I'm driving. But I don't want to have that on around the park, so I've got my new villains phone case to go on there. I have our Middle Age Magic stickers. Oh, my tech bag. I was like, ooh, that's run out. No.
This is a tech bag.
My little over-the-shoulder tech bag, which has got normally these microphones in that we're currently using.
Yep.
The old gimbal. And the little bag, which has got the microphone.
Now, the big microphone.
The big microphone and the remote control and the light.
So, yeah, that's everything. That's all our part bags.
Yeah, except I'm missing my sun cream and my charger.
Yeah, your sun cream and your phone bank.
Yeah.
But yeah, so that's what we carry around in our bags. What do you carry around in yours? Is it the same? Is it different? I mean, obviously, if you've got little kids, it'll be a lot different to ours. Snacks will be going in the bags.
Yeah.
That goes without saying, really.
Depends on how much we eat on the drive over there.
Yeah, it depends whether we've got a 3-hour drive from Dunkirk to Disneyland Paris, so there may not be a lot of snacks left. Seeing we're leaving at 6 o'clock in the morning. So, yeah, although I would have filled up on ginger biscuits and ginger ale on the ferry. So yeah, that's us. So you'll see that by the time you watch this, we'd have gone and come back.
Oh, unless I'm really quick.
Unless she's really quick and gets out tonight.
Oh.
So anyway, the next videos you see from us will be our travel day and our day one in Disneyland Paris. First time back in 4 years.
Yep.
Really excited to go and see what is there and what's changed, what's new. Obviously the Avengers campus is new, so looking forward to that. Really looking forward to the drone show. That's
really looking
forward to that. And the get ready for the ride parade, which I think that song's going to be stuck in our heads for a long time. It seems to be stuck in everybody else's head. So the next time you see us, we will be at Dover getting ready to go to Disneyland Paris again.
Probably looking quite
tired. Yes. Yeah. 3:30 wake up call. Leave by 4 to get on the ferry at 6. So yeah. Last time we attempted this, we overslept. I missed the ferry by 5 minutes. But yeah. Anyway, look forward to seeing you all again soon. Bye.